To be eligible for the electrical journeyman exam in Florida, you must meet certain education and experience requirements. Firstly, you need 8,000 hours of on-the-job training in electrical construction within the past 10 years, with 4,000 of those hours being under the supervision of a licensed electrical contractor. Secondly, you can qualify with a high school diploma or GED along with completion of an approved electrical apprenticeship program. You still must meet the 8,000-hour requirement with this path. In addition to the education and experience requirements, you must also be at least 18 years old, pass a background check, and submit a completed application along with the examination fees. To become an electrical contractor in Florida, you'll need to obtain a residential electrical contractor or REC license. To be eligible for the REC license, you must firstly be a licensed electrical journeyman for at least 5 years, secondly, pass the REC license examination, and thirdly, have at least 2 years of experience as a qualified supervisor. You will also have to meet continuing education requirements. The Florida Construction Industry Licensing Board, or SIL, is the best point of contact to determine if you meet all requirements, and their phone number is 850.487-1395, or visit their website at mflorida.license.com. Preparation is key for both the electrical journeyman exam and the REC license exam, so consider taking a preparatory course beforehand. If you plan on working for yourself as an electrical contractor, developing a solid business plan is crucial. Be sure to also acquire the necessary insurance and permits required to operate your own electrical contracting business in Florida.